Good morning, class. This week we're working on Lesson 11, and today's Reader's Notebook, Lesson 11, pages 159 and 160. We're working on using reference sources, which we've done in the past, and what we're doing here is we are looking at the definitions for words that are provided there in the box. So this is the word survey, and it has 4 different definitions for the word survey, and you have to decide which sentence goes with which definition and write the number of the definition that matches the sentence here on the line. We have survey, which definition number 1 says to question a group of people to gather their opinions. Definition number 2, to look closely at someone or something to make a decision. Definition number 3, to measure a plot of land. And definition number 4, a specific set of questions used to gather information. So what you're going to do is you're going to read the sentence and you're going to decide which definition matches that sentence. The captain surveyed the valley looking for a place to camp, and that would be to look closely at someone or something to make a decision. So number 2 would go on the line, and you would just write number 2 because definition number 2 matches that. And then we can move down to numbers 5 and 6. And with numbers 5 and 6, you're given definitions for the word bracing and the word embark. And underneath those definitions, you are given synonyms. And what you're doing in 5 and 6 is you're replacing the word bracing in number 5 with a synonym that would fit in the sentence. And you're replacing number 6, the word embarking, with a synonym from the synonyms under embark, which are here. Okay, number 7, it says write a sentence using the glossary word above. Use the word in the same way as given. And you have the word shattered, meaning broken into pieces by force or smashed. So you have to use the word shattered in a sentence that has the same meaning as the definition provided there. So pretty easy page. Go ahead and work through that. You can pause the video here and hit play when you're ready to move on. Page 160, okay, is vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel patterns, and you are writing the word from the basic word list for numbers 1 through 10 here. You're choosing the word from the basic word list that best matches each sentence, fills in the blank. My family is beginning a blank to the country, and if you're going to the country, you're beginning a journey. So on line number 1, you're going to write the word journey. Journey, journey. I'm going to move down to number 4 because that is one that kiddos kind of struggle with sometimes. She shrugs and says blank, 40 miles. That's going to be perhaps. P-E-R-H-A-P-S. And when somebody shrugs, you can see that when somebody physically shrugs their shoulders, oftentimes it's an indicator that they don't know something exactly. So we're looking at maybe, like it could be perhaps another 40 miles, or maybe 40 miles. And I'm going to complete number 10 with you because it's another one that kids seem to struggle with. And number 10 says, I blank that getting somewhere is half of the fun. And you could say, I guess that getting somewhere is half the fun, but the word we're going to use in our basic word is suppose. So we have, I suppose, S-U-P-P-O-S-E, I suppose that getting there is half of the fun. You can go ahead and complete this page on your own, filling it in with the basic words, and you can put an X through the challenge 11 through 14 because you do not need to complete that. Make sure when you have finished, you attach pictures to your work and turn it in on Teams. Thank you.